calm back here in this cove. It's pretty flat, so a lot of attention will get paid to this frog, meaning the fish will see it. I don't know what it's called. I think it's a pretty decent frog. You might have a video of it. I can't remember. Legs are the same, and I'm throwing it on 65-pound braid, which might not be great out here if the water's if the water's clear. But this water's clear, but it's not like crazy clear. So anyways, the braid shouldn't be a major problem, I don't think. If you can see the water, boy, it looks nice and calm. And I'm gonna try to catch some fish. I'll throw this on a 7-foot medium heavy rod with a real fast action reel. I think it's a 751, and the reason is because you want to get to the spot where there could be a bass and then get it in quick. So when you have a 751 reel, you can achieve just about that, everybody. So enough of me talking. Let's get back into it. Something over there, whether it's a big turtle or a beaver, I don't know. Well, what do we have here? Oh, it's a red breast. Come here, you. Pretty. So the frog bite wasn't working at all, and I mean at all. I don't know if it's because my line was too thick or the water's too clear and they saw it, but I think it's because it's chilly out. So I switched up to tiny 1-inch crankbait that I was using yesterday. Sharp hooks. I think I'm 4 for 4 with this. I haven't missed one yet, unless I was fooling with the camera. But anyways, we're on the board. Let's have some fun, catch some fish. There's a turkey sneaking through the woods. No luck. He spotted me. Back to fishing. One hook. Just one hook. Boy, these hooks sure are sticky. Pretty little red breast. This is a nicer one, guys. It's a bass. I changed up my presentation and I got a largemouth. He's a little feller, but he's still nice. Always got to make sure I'm recording. Little pipsqueak, huh? Bear, bear, fish, fish. Fish, fish. Fish, fish. Let's get him back. There he goes. Well, that's nice. We caught a bass yesterday and a bass today. That's two. I think we got 14, 3, 4, So we got 18 fish. That's cool. Let's see if we can catch another one. Wind's picking up a little bit. There's one. Oh, he spit it. See, I switched up to this creek hopper, and these hooks are tiny little things. What I might do is switch those hooks out for something a little bigger, but this thing works. Look at all the bite marks on it. Oh yeah, the wind's picked up. Pretty little red breast, huh? It's too hard to lip these guys. Their mouths are so small, but he's pretty big. Look at that. What, Bear? Bear wants to take a break. Look at that pretty red breast. Caught him on this 1-inch jerk bait. Pretty fish. Good eater. Good eater. Oh, he really got a hold of that one. Look at that. He was serious. About 1.5 inch jerk bait. Look at that pretty crappie. This is about the 5th lure I've tried. It floats, but it will dive, and it's just right for throwing it into the shallow, because it'll be on the surface, and then depending on how fast you reel it, it'll dive down. And it caught me that first black crappie, and I think that's fish number 20, but it's my first crappie, so we're gonna keep it and we're gonna eat it, because I'm hungry. Turtle eggs. I saw the turtle. Good 8 inches. That's 3 for dinner.